Hi, good afternoon, and welcome back to my video series on how to be an awesome paralegal, legal assistant, or legal secretary. Now, we've been discussing some of the key things to help a legal secretary or paralegal be an effective extension of the attorney that they are being employed with. So, now that the lawyer has been hired on the case, the work can begin, and it's very important. I'm going to go over some of the different elements of production, and it's very important to document everything that happens in a case because time spent on a case equals money. So it's very important to know that time is your money in the billing world. Now, some lawyers do things fully on contingency, but you'll soon learn that they do get compensated for their time, and there's rules for that to follow. So if you want your attorney's fees and of course and things like that, now there's different types of law, but generally if you want your attorney's fees, you do have to make proof of the work and of course know what you are expending on each case. And of course also you're going to have it's important to document everything. So I'm going kind of back, tracing back. So anything you do in a case, from a call to legal research, if there's been a filing fee, postage, time spent on anything, drafting pleadings, drafting your discovery, talking to the mediator, anything like that is going to be very important to not only document this some way for your own work, but also do it for the attorney as well. Now, there's a couple of easy, effective ways of doing that, and that's, of course, keeping everything organized on a chart. Some people do a time slips or QuickBooks or use some kind of Products billing software. And so you plug that in. There's specific ways that you can calculate the hourly rate for the attorney and plug that in. Now, the most effective way, I'm going to show you a super tip for a very easy way of getting and keeping track with billing is I did work with this attorney that would text message me after any time he did anything on the case. He would text message me what time he spent on something. So it was like 0.2 hours talking on the phone to the client, or if it was 2.5 hours drafting, the demand letter. So and then I would plug that in because you do want to track that. And like I said, you do want to track your out-of-pocket expenses so you can, show what you've spent. That way you can, if you're eating and chunking away at the retainer fee, or if you're eating and chunking away out of the trust account funds, that way you can keep track. And of course, if the clients give you payments, you can, of course, replenish the amount for either the trust account funds or the retainer funds for the case. So it's important to understand as a paralegal that time is money, and it's highly important to document everything you do. Keep your notes. Just document everything you do in the case. You're calling somebody, you are doing anything, organizing the file, reviewing the file. Make sure to go ahead and document that information.